Okay, first take your piece of notebook paper and set it up the way I have mine set up. Put your first and last name at the top. Don't write first last name. I want you to write your first and last name and period number. And in the heading, the title is China Lesson 1 Quiz. Then I want you to number it 1 to 15. Don't skip any lines. Okay, go ahead and pause the tape now and set up your notebook paper. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to read the test to you. You can pause the video as much as you want to re-listen to any questions that you want to listen to over and over again. And then just write your answers on your test paper. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. True or false? China's rivers are very long. Now on your notebook paper, I want you to spell out the word true or the word false. Don't put T's and F's, put true or false, and there's how you spell them right there. Number 2, the Yellow River never floods. True or false? Pause the tape, write your answer. Number 3, China has only 2 types of climate, hot and dry, and warm and wet. True or false? 4. The monsoon season in China is very dry. True or false? 5. China is completely covered in fertile plains. True or false? Pause the tape as much as you need to. Go back and listen to as many questions as you want to make sure you have the answers that you think are correct. Number 6. The Gobi is China's longest river. Number 7. The plateau of Tibet is high and rugged. Number 8. China has many different types of climates. Number 9. The plateau of Tibet is low and flat. Number 10. The Yellow River is nearly 3,000 miles long. Number 11. The Gobi is a vast desert. Number 12. Monsoons bring a lot of rain every year. Okay, now these are your multiple choice questions. For these, I want you to write the letter of the correct answer on your paper. Number 13. Flooded rivers in China left silt deposits. What happened as a result of this? A. People began to grow crops in the rich soil. B. People began to graze animals along the river. C. People began to learn about other cultures. Or D. People began to defend themselves against others. Pause the tape or listen to it again and then write your answer. 14. The 2 rivers that became the centers of Chinese civilization are A. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers, B. Huanghe and Changjiang rivers, C. The Nile and the Tigris rivers, or D. The Indus River and the Ganges River. Pause the tape. Last question. Either or, 50-50. The blank is sometimes called China's sorrow. Is that the Plateau of Tibet or the Huanghe River? Just write the answer on your notebook paper, either Plateau of Tibet or Huanghe River. Okay, when you're finished, double check your answers and then turn your paper into Mr. Brady.